Hey kids, ready for a fun challenge? Let's play Guess That Animal Sound. Listen closely to this sound. What animal do you think makes this chirping noise at night? Take a moment to think. Did you guess it? Time to reveal the answer. It's a cricket. Crickets make this unique chirping sound by rubbing their wings together, especially on warm nights. Great job if you guessed it right. Like this video if you enjoyed the game. Subscribe for more fun challenges. Comment below with your favorite animal sound.